Hi, my name is Steve Thomas from Acubed IT. In this third video of the series, we're going to take a look at a technical deep dive into the cross-domain hybrid application framework architecture. And as we've discussed on some of the videos already, one of the key benefits of the CDHA framework is its ability to support two-way secure communications, which in turn then supports interoperability. And we know that both of these are important factors for our customers. So with those in mind, let's start by discussing the components and their functionalities. And to provide some context for that, we'll first look at how the data flows within the CDHA framework. So that flow begins with encryption at the client's browser. And this is possible because of the unique approach to user key management, which is part of the build of the CDHA framework. And this encrypted data is then processed and verified at each step of the process until it reaches its final destination. Each component within the architecture plays a crucial role in ensuring that the data integrity and security are maintained. So let's have a look at each of those components now. And we'll start by taking a look initially at the low trust domain. And we've got 5 components in this area. The client browser is used for all encryption and decryption activity to secure data before the transmission. The low trust web-based application manages and formats the data intended for cross-domain transfer. The low trust orchestrator coordinates the data transmission through the high assurance gateway, ensuring compliance with the security standards. The staging database securely stores encrypted data until it's ready for transfer, accessible only with the correct cryptographic keys. Finally, on the low trust domain, the low trust messaging service manages the secure email communications to prevent exposure of sensitive information. So connecting the low trust domain and the high trust domain, we have a high assurance gateway, and this acts as a bridge between the two domains. It decrypts incoming encrypted data from the low trust domain, verifies its structure against predefined schemas, and then transfers the validated data to the high trust domain. And if there is any non-conforming payloads, they're quarantined at this point. So now into the high trust domain, we find a high trust orchestrator, and this receives and processes requests and data from the low trust domain via the high assurance gateway, facilitating secure responses. We then have an identity and enrollment service. This checks a user identity and verifies keys to manage registrations and the key usage securely. The user management portal and management database is a high trust domain user enrollment platform that allows the administration team to start the enrollment process for users. The high trust web-based application provides an interface for processing data received from the low trust domain, enabling analysis and handling of submitted data. And finally, we have the export release control. And the export control component is activated prior to encryption to conduct checks on the data, ensuring it's safe to transmit and that it adheres to the predefined rules and regulations. Well, I hope you found that deep dive into the components and the functionalities of the CDHA framework of interest. And next time we will be exploring the innovative security features of the CDHA framework. Thanks.